Whoa!
Yeah!
It's hot. Oh my goodness.
Man, I really love watching Ace's Stolen Kids play baseball, but this sucks.
I'm getting all sticky.
Hey, why aren't you complaining?
Well, I can stay nice and cool with my state-of-the-art refrigerator pants.
What?
How?
With our patented cooling technology, the refrigerator pants can keep you cool while keeping the sexy. Just look at that long, seductive tube running from that dashing pocket straight up your ass.
Hey, William.
Hi. I need to go to the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
Willem couldn't keep his cool, so that's why Beth chose Spencer instead.
Wow, Spencer, you're so much cooler than William is. Does this shirt make me look fat?
No.
Order yours today. With only 10 easy payments of $9.99, shipping and handling is not included. And you can be a proud owner of the refrigerator pants. Contact us at our website or phone number. Warning: extended use of the refrigerator pants may cause the following side effects: inability to breathe, severe bleeding, testicular inversion, a second puberty, spontaneous ejaculation, deepening of the voice and anal cavities, genital bloating, and death. Contact your doctor if refrigerator pants is right for you. If refrigerator pants causes an erection of more than 4 hours, you're welcome. And here are some of our satisfied customers.
I used to need my 6 cats to satisfy me. They're dead now. But thanks to refrigerator pants, I have a girlfriend now.
Now I can comfortably watch all of Ace's children.
I just use refrigerator pants to keep my meat cold.
When things get hot, you can keep your cool.